screen recording on the iPhone and the iPad are pretty much the same. If you have learned screen recording on the iPhone, I have no doubt you can do the same on the iPad. What you'll be seeing on this video are almost entirely upshots or outcome of my iPad screen recording. Here's how to do screen recording with sound on the iPad. Tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. Tap the control center. Tap the customize controls. Scroll down and look for screen recording. Then tap the plus green sign of screen recording. Push the home button. Swipe down. Tap the screen recording, the circle around the circle, it turns red. Tap start recording. Tap the microphone to turn it on. Push the home button. Push the home button again. Now it starts recording. You're seeing some of my apps and my favorite games. Push the home button. Now look for the red color on the right top corner of the screen. Tap the red icon. Tap stop to stop recording.